Oh, no, that was the right button. For some reason, F9 zooms me into the game. So anyway, hello, YouTube.
Hello, everybody.
Yes. We are today playing Factorio. If anyone's watching us in order, we've just taken a short pause from Borderlandsing, for the sake of it, to just freshen up and play something a little bit more interesting. Now, I've played this game to death, but Dave is a complete newbie, which is why he's trying to chop down a tree without the relevant tools at the moment.
Yep.
So, first thing you have to learn, I'm going to be tutorialing this poor little sucker all the way through this.
I need tutoring.
Press E, and it brings up your inventory.
Whee!
Exciting, eh? Now, you've got a whole bunch of tabs at the top, and those tabs will increase the more stuff you learn, more research. In the second tab, production, you will have an option to build an iron axe. You want to do that. So you just left-click that once, and you'll get it, right?
Yep.
See at the bottom left of your screen, your character actually crafts the items.
Oh, yeah.
For you. Yeah. More complex stuff your character can't craft on himself. But now you can cut down trees bloody quick. So that's useful. Yeah? See what I mean?
Yeah, now I've got some wood.
Brilliant.
How much of this will I need?
Not much. I only need it for basic crates and stuff at the start. So, basics of this game, there are 4 main resources. You have coal. Actually, let me walk you over to them. Come with me.
Yeah, also as a word of note, if you're too far out of range to mine something, the box is red and it goes orange when you're in range of mining it.
Yeah.
And I'm willing to bet when you start hacking something, if you go away and come back, you can finish hacking it, but if you hack something else in between, then it resets it back to...
No, I think if you go away, it resets it.
Yeah.
Anyway, yeah.
Cool, yep.
So, 4 main resources in the game. Coal, which is a very good fuel for machinery. Stone, which you need for some basics like furnaces. And copper for electronics. And iron for everything. So we've started off, we've got some very nice resources nearby, apart from stone, which is a bit sparse. But we've got a few small deposits around to work with. There's also oil up to the top right, but we don't need to worry about that just yet. Now, if you press M, you can see your big world map.
Yeah.
At the moment, Dave probably does not have as much explored as I do. WASD moves you around that as well.
Oh, yeah.
So, in the beginning,
God
first
created...
first thing you'll see is in your inventory, you got a mining drill and a stone furnace, right? On your bottom tab, on your bottom bar.
Oh, yeah. I see it, yeah.
Yep. So, mining drill, first thing you want to do is get some coal going. Now, if you click on it, you can see a placement box where you can put it.
Yep.
Yeah, you can put it anywhere on resources you want, but don't do that yet. If you press R, it rotates its facing.
And I want the yellow arrow pointy end to be pointing in a suitable place to dump the product out.
Yeah.
So,
now, it will show you when you're hovering over areas on the right-hand side, the most resources you can get out of that square.
Oh, I see. So 2.1, 2.3.
Yeah, there was a good one I saw just now. 3K. Oh, there it is. You're standing in the way. Move right a sec. That's left, but close enough. All right. So that has 3K resources. Okay. Now, you put yours down facing that, directly next to it.
So the yellow arrow points towards it?
Yeah, points into it.
Yep.
There we go. Now, normally, one machine will output into a chest or something like that, but I've just mined 1 coal. I'll put it in there as fuel, and the first machine produces fuel and puts it into the second machine. You've got a nice easy loop to start off with. Now, on single player, you'd have to work up the resources to build another mining drill. And that will take a little bit of time, but it's not too bad multiplayer. Now, if you press Alt, it won't show you much at the moment except the outputs. But when you have chests, in fact, I'll build a little wooden chest.
Perhaps I should build it.
Yeah, do that as well. Build a wooden chest. It's in your first crafting tab, Logistics.
Logistics. Wooden chest.
Yeah.
Got
it?
Yep.
Place one down.
Yep.
Yeah. And now if I put something in it, like iron...
Oh, I see
Alt, with Alt you can see it. Without Alt you can't. So it's just nice to see what's in things.
Yeah. That's cool.
Right, so, next thing on our list. If you click on one of the mining drills, you click on the left mining drill.
Yeah.
And you can see all the resources in it.
Yep.
So you can pick them up, left click and put them in your inventory.
Is that the coal at the top?
Top left, yeah.
I see, and put them in.
And it's still got plenty of fuel. The red bar is how much left of that fuel it's using.
Oh, I see.
So that's fine. So you can pick up all the coal, stick it in your inventory. Another thing to note is if you hold down Control when you're not in the inventory, if you're walking around normally, right?
Yep, hold down Control. Yep.
Hold down Control and left click on the furnace, it will pick up everything loose in it.
Ah, interesting.
Yeah. So that saves some time when you're running around doing lots.
You'll have to remind me how to do that, I think.
Oh, yeah, no problems.
Yeah.
Right, so the very first goal of early game is to get to electricity. That's actually quite easy. The first thing we need to do is get a lot of iron, though. So ideally, we want 3 more burner drills. So if you go to your inventory and you're crafting, you can see in production, it's got burner drill halfway down.
Halfway down. Yeah,
left.
burner mining drill, yeah.
There you go, grayed out because you need iron gears, right? And at the
Yep.
bottom right, it will show you raw materials. So we need 9 iron plates
Okay.
to make that. So we have a furnace, but we have no iron. So we have to mine this by hand for now to start off with, unless we want to go and get one of those other those other drills. But I like leaving them where they are for now.
Fair enough.
So between the two of us, we can do this nice and easy. All right. So once you've got 5 and I've got 5, we'll put them in put them in the furnace. Or you can keep going.
I just thought I'd try and mine out the entire square.
Yeah, that'll take a while. There's 400 on that square.
Anyway.
Yeah, okay. So when you click on the furnace, you see it's got its interface at the top.
Yep.
If you shift click on your iron in your bar, it will send it straight there.
Oh, cool.
There we go. And now that should take 3 fuel or so.
How much fuel is it per burn of each iron?
I think it's 10 actually. It's not 8 like in Minecraft. I think it's a bit more.
I see. So if I take those iron plates then...
Yeah.
How many did I need? 9?
Yeah.
So...
Something else to note, something that's important is splitting stacks, right?
Yep.
If you want to pick up half a stack, you right-click on the stack and it takes half of it.
Oh, yeah. Is that similar to Minecraft? I can't remember.
I can't remember myself now.
But yeah, so
Yeah.
just right
So
click
you-
to take half.
yeah.
Okay, yep.
So, for example, you got half a stack of coal on you, right?
Yep.
And then if you right-click again with that stack on an empty square, it'll drop 1 piece.
Oh, yeah.
So that's useful for dropping 1 piece of coal in a furnace,
Yeah.
something like that. All right, so I'll grab the other 9 now, 9 plates, so we can make another. Oh, I'm out of stone now, actually. I'm sure you are as well.
Yeah, let's go back.
All right, let's grab some stone. How much do we need? For the burner mining drill, we only need 5 stone. You'll love it when we get to electricity. Life gets so much easier. Right, so now you can craft another mining drill.
Right, so if I click on the burner mining drill, it will just build the cogs. It builds. If you just click on that one thing, it will build all the prerequisites itself.
Yeah, for anyone who's played Minecraft, it's like crafting table 3, where it will craft everything you need to get to that.
Okay, so where should I stick this then?
Stick it on one of the edges pointing out.
Okay. Give me just a second.
And
No.
then... No. No. You put it covering all of that.
Oh, I see.
So it's got all 4 squares under it covering it.
Okay.
Give it better resources. So now what you want to do is put your furnace in front of it.
Okay. Wait, where's my furnace gone?
I've got one. Oh, you've used it to craft a mining drill, stupid me.
Oh, right.
All right.
I might as well build another furnace. I can build one. It's fine.
Yeah.
Right.
All right,
Okay,
cool.
so the furnace goes...
Oh, sorry. Let me take mine back then. Directly in front.
Cool.
So now we stick some coal in the mining drill,
Yeah.
and it will start producing iron. And then we put some coal in this furnace, and it will basically start producing other stuff. It'll start producing iron plates. That's not quite automated because we still need to supply it with coal, of course.
Yeah.
But our coal...
I see. So
mining-
the iron mine uses coal to mine the ore, and then the output of that ore goes into the furnace, which is then
Yes.
burnt to make the iron plate.
Yeah. So
then-
if you come back up to the coal...
I guess eventually you'd want to automate coal to go into there, so you don't ever have to.
Yes and no. Yeah. When we get to electricity, you get electric mining drills, so they don't need it.
Oh, fair
But then
enough.
you still need coal for furnaces, but a lot later on you get electric furnaces.
So this is obviously
I'll,
maxed out on coal at the moment.
Yeah, so I'll steal the right-hand drill's worth,
Yep.
and you steal the left-hand one.
So stacks are maximum of 50.
For coal, yeah. For other stuff, it goes up to like 99 or something like that.
Okay.
My game's just frozen. My game's just unfrozen. Anyway,
Cool.
my game's just frozen.
Yep.
That's
Wait.
not good.
No.
Oh, it's auto-saving, that's why.
Oh, okay.
It auto-saves
oh.
every 5 minutes.
Okay, cool.
But I might change that to 10 minutes because that's quite a freeze.
I've got 7 not responding. Hold on. Wavey Davies, pause the game.
Right.
Oh, part of the learning progress.
Well,
Process.
they're supposed to have fixed most of the bugs now. Oh, damn. We may need... Oh, there we go. It's finished. You've dropped from the game. Come back in.
Hold on. It says I'll pause the game. How do I unpause?
Escape or P.
Resume. Oh, unpause game.
Oh, you're coming back in. Oh, no, you're not. It thought you were, but you're not.
Oh, pause the game. Resume the game. But where are you then? Have I just
You disconnected from my game, so you might want to quit the game and come back in.
Okay.
And you're in game again.
Yeah. Your IP went into my game window though, so maybe I'll.
Yeah, that's fine. We can block them out. Trim half a second of it. Right. So now I'll do the same with copper because we need copper.
Oh yeah. So you're putting coal in there and then coal in the furnace to do the same with copper.
There we go. Now, unlike some things, luckily, some games, the coal, if you put one coal in a furnace and there's only one item in there, it'll burn as much as it needs for that item and then stop. So it won't use up a whole coal if there's nothing in there.
Okay.
It's quite useful. Right, so we've got the very basics. We've got iron plates coming in and we've got copper plates coming in. Actually, we could do with powering and getting a stone supply as well. So we'll need them for the furnaces.
Okay.
There we go. I'll just stick half a stack of coal in that and leave it running for a while.
Yeah.
Okay, so that's nice. Everybody's happy.
Yeah.
Now let's work towards automation. Let me steal some of these. Okay, so actually, you probably should have taken those.
Yeah, I was going to say I'm going to need to.
Oh.
How do you give me stuff?
I don't think I can. Oh, I'll tell you what I can do. I can stick it on the floor. Not with my crafting windows in the way, though. You know what I can do? I can stick it in a chest.
Yeah. Oh.
Bloody thing. Yeah, mine's juttering for some reason. It's not good this early on, you know.
No.
Me and my friend Pip, we did a load of Factorio multiplayer back when it first came out as multiplayer, and we had this problem way late in game. I don't know what's causing this. Hopefully it'll smooth out.
Yeah, I think we'll do this at the first video, and then we'll have a quick.
Yeah, we'll have a look. Right. Okay. First thing we need. Mine's freezing again. First thing you need for power is water. So if you go to your production window, there's an offshore pump on the right middle.
Oh, I see. I need 2 electric circuits.
Yeah, which just needs copper, which I put in the chest up there that you didn't take.
I'm coming.
Actually, where's a good place? This is a brilliant place for power right here. Okay, so one offshore pump. It's infinite. It doesn't require power itself. Just place it right here.
Give me a second. I'm just building all the prerequisites. There we go.
Okay. Right here.
Okay.
Brilliant. Right, now, what you want to do is build one boiler. It's on the same page.
Cool. Mining drill, steam engine, stone. Where is it?
On the production page, under your iron axe.
Under my iron axe. Oh, that one. Okay. Needs 1 stone furnace, which I need
put it at the back of that.
Stone. Hold on.
Well, there's plenty up there. Don't worry, I'll get easier. We'll automate it all very shortly.
So the boiler goes next to the pump.
No. I've just added pipes to move it back a bit here.
Oh,
sorry, it's underground pipes. I'll show you that bit in a minute.
So whereabouts do you want it?
Right here on the end of the pipe.
Okay.
Okay. Now the next thing you want to do, you want to build an underground pipe actually. So go to logistics.
Yep.
And there's pipe to ground.
Small electric pipe. Oh, pipe to ground. Yep.
Yep. So you click the first end next to the pump, the boiler, and the second end, put it about here. It should automatically face it. Yeah, there we go. The main reason we do this is because the amount of boilers we'll add will expand, and the amount of other steam engines we'll have will expand. So it's just easier. Plus, you can walk under these if you build normal pipes.
Yeah.
I mean, you can't.
Yeah, you can't walk on it. Yeah.
Next thing you want to build is a steam engine. That's in your production tab again.
Steam engine. I need more iron. I've only got 3 iron. I need more iron.
I'll build this steam engine now because I picked up some iron just now.
Okay. Yeah.
You're not missing out on much. You know where it is. You know what to do.
Yeah. Yeah. I keep...
And that's that. Dun, dun, dun. Now, step 1. Ideally, we need an electric mining drill, so we need 24 more iron for that. I'll let you go grab that.
Yep. Keep juttering for some reason.
What, my voice or my game?
No, my game. Well, the
yeah,
game.
my game is as well.
So
Kind of irritating, considering they've been working on multiplayer for a very long time since I last played it, and it wasn't juttering like this last time. Have you got enough iron for an electric drill?
How many do I need?
23.
Okay, yeah, I got 27. I'm fine.
Okay, so build an electric mining drill.
An electric mining drill.
It's in your second tab next to your pump.
Next to my pump.
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, I need more fucking copper.
Have you not got? Oh, for goodness sake!
Got 3
Hang
at the
on.
moment.
Here you go. There you go.
There we go.
Actually, let me refill the copper drill. Yeah, that's fine for now.
So.
Right, got it?
Yep, just building it all up now.
Okay, now the electric mining drill, as opposed to the normal mining drills, has a radius on it. So it can actually mine stuff around it.
Yeah.
So build one here, facing down. There we go. Now this we'll need a lot of transport belts for. You'll love these. Basically, on the first tab, logistics tab, you've got transport belts, and they take a bunch of iron at the moment. So we just run and grab a bunch. Have you got any iron on you?
What we do? Production logistics. Yep, and we're doing transport belts.
Yep. How many can you build?
It says 1 at the moment.
Oh, okay. There's not much. Well, I can build 5, so I'll show you them for now. Well, I can build 10, but I'll show you these for now.
Yeah, go for it.
I'll put them in a chest for you. Hang on, let me get enough bloody chest. Stop gesturing. Alright. Here, take half of these.
Oh, half, sorry, yep.
Yeah. Now, I'm going to put them pointing out from the mining drill, going sideways for now. Take them all.
Oh, sorry. You did take half of these.
No, I didn't. Take half of mine. Just 5 of them. Now we want to route them along here and down here with one gap between the boiler and them.
Oh,
so you can do that.
Yeah, you might want to tell me how to best.
Right
How do you deploy them? Just
you just use the R key to rotate whichever way they go.
Oh, I see. Okay, so 1, 2.
Hang on. There, that's where you want to end up.
Oh, I see.
So you can either.
Oh, how do you corner them?
Do exactly the same one you just did, but on the corner.
Oh, I see.
That's R on the corner.
Hold on.
Having fun there.
Yeah, hold on.
It's alright, you can do it when it's already there.
Oh, can you?
There you go. Yeah. Okay, so now that's that. Now, what we need at this point, you can build electric inserters. Inserters are basically big mechanical arms that take things from A to B.
Yeah.
You can build electrical ones, but for this thing, if the electricity dies, that means it won't be able to feed coal anymore. So we want a burner one that uses coal. So on your logistics tab, you'll see halfway down, burner inserter. Can you build that?
Yeah, burner mining, burning drill, offshore pump. Wait, where's that?
On your logistics tab, the first tab.
Yep.
Halfway down. Burner inserter. It's a grey handle. Grey floor.
Alright, all I've got is a lab, stone furnace, burner mining drill.
That's because you're in the wrong tab. You're in the production tab there. You want to be in logistics tab.
Oh my god. I'll get there in a minute. Yeah, okay, yeah, I see it. I see it. I've got one.
Okay.
Oh dear. Right.
Let me take the iron plate. Right, so you want to put it here, facing to the right.
So where you stood, facing to the right, into the pipe thing?
Into the boiler, yeah. No. One square up.
Oh. Oops. Hold on. Get there eventually.
Yeah. Bingo, that's perfect. Now that'll take coal off of the
Conveyor belt.
And put it into the boiler. Now, what you need to do is use the electricity from this and get it to the mining drill. So, if you go to under the burner inserter in your menu, you've got small electric poles.
Oh yeah.
Now you want to build one of them. If you hover it over the map, over the game, you'll see it's got an area.
Oh, so it's not responding. Yep.
Yeah, it's because it was saving it. If you hover the area over the steam engine on one of them,
Yep.
and then you put another one hovering over the electric mining drill,
Oh, I see.
and that'll automatically connect between them.
Wait,
Now, steam engine.
have I not done that right?
No, that's right. That's right.
Okay.
Now, steam engines will show that they've got absolutely. I'll show you this actually. If power is not connected to anything, it'll say it's unplugged like that. But if you plug it in, so to speak, it'll say there's no electricity going here. So all we need to start this off. Then
how did you turn that on?
I right click to pick up the electric pole.
Wait, what? No. Oops.
And I put it back. There you go. See what I mean? Right.
Yeah.
So all this needs now is one piece of coal in the boiler. I'll let you do that.
So one piece of coal in. Was it to pick up one piece? Oh.
No. You right click to pick up half a stack.
Yep.
And then you right click on somewhere with that half a stack to drop one piece.
Oh, I see.
There you go. Now that is creating heat. You'll see the temperature if you hover over the boiler going up.
Yep. Temperature.
And that temperature runs the steam engine. It's got available performance, which is how much electricity it can produce.
Yeah.
Performance, which is how much electricity it is producing. And now you'll see it's running the electric mining drill, which is filling the boiler.
Ah.
Ta-da! Now we have electricity, and it's self-sufficient.
Yeah.
Exciting, isn't it?
Yeah.
So that's step one, the lowliest of steps.
Cool. Got
So
8 minutes left on this one.
Okay, so now what we need to do is get electric iron and electric copper. So we want to do those steps again, build electric mining drills for each one.
Actually, I take you take half of what? What's it?
Yeah, I have. I've taken half. It's run out of coal anyway. Oh, why is it juttering so much? Let me check my options.
Yeah.
Right, autosave interval 10 minutes. Tooltip max thread. Okay, that's cool.
I'm taking half the copper, by the way.
That's fine. That should be fine. Controls, graphics.
How much needed is stone at the moment? Probably not.
Take half of it because you'll need it for furnaces anyway.
Okay. Shall I take a stack of 50?
Yeah, sure.
Yeah, that's fine. I've got some copper cable on me. I don't know how I made. Oh, I must have been making one of these instruments, I guess.
Yeah, what it is when making a small electric bowl, if every time you make a copper cable, it takes one copper and makes two cable.
So these copper, obviously, it doesn't need all this copper, this coal now. That's why it's all on the conveyor belt, not going anywhere.
Yeah.
Okay.
So that's all good. So that will back up there. In a minute, we'll be able to split the load, so it will go somewhere else as well. In fact, I'll show you a little trick. You know all of the parts to this anyway, so...
Yeah.
So if we do it so it outputs directly into a chest, and then we put a burner inserter there, it'll fuel itself, and then it'll put it back on the conveyor belt.
Okay.
Now it's very important to note, conveyor belts have two sides. They made this a while back and have never changed it, and people like the mechanics of it, so depending on how you work the inserters, they will place only on one side. I'll show you. If you place it here, it will place on the side closest to us.
Yeah.
And if you place it when the lag starts, if you place it here, it'll place on the other side. So that mechanic's quite important.
Yeah, I can imagine, especially if you're trying to save space as well, and you want to have a conveyor belt where you can.
Right.
And you can by doing that, I guess you can put two different substances on the conveyor belt.
Exactly. Yeah, it's very, very useful for later on with factories where you need multiple ingredients, and you can put them all on one belt. It's very handy. Right. So we've got coal. That's fine. When that's finished, we'll be able to take coal out of another side of that chest quite happily. So, electric mining drills, that's what we were doing, wasn't it?
Yeah, how many do you want me to build?
To be honest, we could do with tons right now, or we could do with very little. I'm going to build 2 for iron, and if you build 2, that'll be good.
I've got 11.
11? Electric mining drills?
No, I've got 11 iron.
Maybe
still-
wonder then.
Oh, not enough ingredients. I don't have. Oh, I need 23 iron plates. I've only got 11
Oh,
at the
sorry,
moment.
I've grabbed a load because I thought you already had them. Hang on. There you go. There's 8 of them there now.
Cheers.
Right, so you know the basics so far. So I'm gonna do a couple of things that you don't need to do, like cabling and stuff like that.
Still need 3 more.
So I'll run the
Oh,
wires.
the drills run out of coal. That's why. Okay.
Oh, okay. That's no good. Won't be a problem shortly.
Yeah. There we go.
There's no energy loss over distance with electric wiring or of any kind.
There we go. Now I've got another electric mining drill.
Brilliant. Right, so I'm going to put one there and one there, and these will drop onto either side of the conveyor belts.
Yep.
And I'll power both of them, and they're producing iron. So that's cool.
Oh, so as long as you have those electric poles carrying the electricity.
Yeah.
Does it take up more electricity, or can you now just infinitely pole up everything?
Oh, you could pole across the entire planet, and it won't take up an ounce of electricity more than the machines use.
Hmm.
So that's good news, isn't it?
So that is just our permanent electrical supply, just in that one little thing. Do you mean, or would it eventually kind of? You'll have so many machines demanding so much electricity that.
Oh yeah. No, we'll need to build a lot more steam engines later. Tons more steam engines, but the electric poles don't lose energy.
Oh, sorry. What I should have said was producing electricity. At what point do you need to start thinking about
Another boiler? Yeah,
another boiler,
it's
yeah.
yeah, it's not far off.
Is that where when the performance bar goes down to a certain level, you just need to double it up?
Yeah, the available performance is how much it can produce, and the performance is how much it needs. Is how much it's producing at the moment.
Oh, okay.
So we've still got we can double our machines and we'll be all right basically.
Yeah.
So that's something.
Okay. We've got another
Right,
3
what we
minutes
need now is a bunch more furnaces, to be honest. Right, what you need to do is build a similar setup to this, but on the copper. So you'll want a drill either side and conveyors going down the middle.
a drill at either side. What, of the electric thing?
Yeah, electric mining drill either side and conveyors, transport belts going down.
Sorry, what am I putting either side of it?
Electric mining drills.
Oh, either side of the.
Yeah, on the copper.
Oh, sorry, I'm still hovering over the iron bit.
So yeah, it's just basically mirror what I'm doing, but on copper.
Okay.
Remember, you can zoom in and out with the scroll.
Yeah. So as long as I have 2 drills that cover the whole copper area.
Yeah. So
And
yeah,
they face each other.
Yeah.
Okay, that's one. I need to build another one. I need to grab some more iron.
Okay. And then I'll show you something fun.
Have you got any more iron on you?
Yes.
Cool.
There you go. I'll put it in the machine.
Cool, thank you.
Right, this looks like a good spot. Oh.
3, 2, 1.
Should
Electric
go.
mining drill, way. Okay, so then that goes. So if both electric mining drills face each other, can they be in the middle of the pile, or would you rather them close to the edge?
It doesn't matter.
Okay,
It really doesn't matter.
cool. Okay, well they're both facing each other.
Okay.
Did you say they both need?
No, not like that. You need a gap between them for the conveyors.
Oh, of course you do. One gap or 2? Just one.
One.
Cool. Okay, and then the conveyor belt goes in between.
Yeah.
Yeah. How long does the conveyor belt need to be?
Oh, 100 miles.
Eventually.
We need dozens and dozens of conveyors at the moment.
Okay.
In fact, you know what? I'm going to save this bit for a little bit, what I was planning to do here, and just manually feed it in at the moment. We need a ton of iron.
Doopy-doopy-doopy-doopy-doopy-doo. 6 will probably do. Do.
plant some more.
Okay, well, I've done the conveyor belt thing. Shall I just follow your tent poles? Your line, your electric cable line up to the copper bit now.
Yes. Actually, do it along the top from where the coal is, because we'll need more stuff in the middle there anyway. That's fine.
Okay. Right. Well, we've sort of come to the end of this episode thing now. So if we pause it, try and figure out what this problem is, and I'll just finish off this tent poling to the other area.
Okay. See you guys next video.
See you in a bit.